Ayurvedic tips for managing prolonged stress and crisis. Today's topic is meditation or internalization. When we have the crisis around us, the mind is always in the fight or flight mode. The stress really creates the fight or flight mode that completely drains us, that creates too much of negativity, fear, uncertainty, insecurity, sadness, anger, frustration. All these emotions are depleting, degenerating. The best tool for compensating or managing this inevitable state of depletion, degeneration, distraction because of the stress and crisis is the meditation or internalization. Meditation is well known globally across all cultures. But I want to tell you today that it is not that you need to learn meditation. It is not that you need to have in one specific path of meditation. Meditation or internalization could be very simple. It need not be even half an hour, 45 minutes. It can be just 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. But based on the way the world is going and all this negativities and the fears, meditation should be a part of our regular daily ritual. What could be a simple internalization of meditation? The simplest form would be able to sit somewhere in a stable position or lie down or any stable position in the yogic system. There is a word called asana. Asana means staying in a stable and comfortable position. That could be lying down, that could be sitting, no problem. Close your eyes. Bring your mind and attention within. Just look within and stay there for some time. The mind is the one that keep on distracting us. Many people will say that, I don't think meditation is for me because I'm not able to sit quiet in a place. As if meditation need a specific qualification. No, nothing like that. Just sit in a stable position, close your eyes, withdraw all your senses within, bring your mind within. Mind has generally a tendency to go out and wander. That news there, so many people killed here, the COVID is increasing. There are a lot of news that can raise, that can always, we are in the sympathetic drive or the fight or flight drive, or the intensity and the restlessness. So the best way to anchor your mind is watching your own breath. The easiest and the best. We always give a kind of an exercise, a trial. We ask people to do this. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, bring your attention within and watch your breath. Just bring your mind, the focus on the throat area. The throat is considered as the center of clarity and purity, the Vishuddhi. Bring your attention there. That is one. Or bring your attention to the heart center. And listen to that breath. Watch the breath. Watching breath is considered as one of the simplest anchoring point of mind. You can try yourself. Do this. Close your eyes, sit and bring your attention. Keep on watching the breath. You will be surprised to see that no thoughts will come to you. If you are listening and watching your own breath, no thoughts will come to you. According to me, the easiest and the best way of internalization or meditation is look within, listening to your own breath, and stay there for some time. That will be the easiest and the most effective practice you can do. Maybe 5 minutes in the morning and maybe 3-4 minutes before you sleep. And if you can also add a minute or two of internalization, that means reconciliation of the day, just reflecting on what happened today and appreciating ourselves for what we have done the best in the way of compassion, care and support that made us feel good, and also able to reconcile even something happened which was not comfortable or not happy, able to even accept that that happened, but I'm going to be mindful in avoiding that situation tomorrow. Able to close the chapter of today. And that is the internalization. Thanking everybody and everything for having an active day on this earth, and also praying and hoping for a better tomorrow. These are all very, very simple things. Easy, simple, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. But the effect on our mind-body system is unimaginable. Especially in today's state of the prolonged crisis, the prolonged stressors. Let this be a part of your everyday routine.